Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great SUV in our collection. A pre-owned 2017 Honda Pilot. This Honda is powered by all-wheel drive V6 engine, automatic transmission, and has 79,067 miles. Discover adventure in this 2017 Honda Pilot. Spacious, reliable, and equipped with modern features, it's perfect for family road trips or daily commutes. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Drive home your next journey today. Test drive now. This pre-owned Pilot comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, AC, power windows, power seats. To keep you entertained, this Honda Pilot is equipped with Bluetooth navigation. Safety was put first by the following features: electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, ABS brakes, daytime running light, parking sensors. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.